Hello everyone, welcome to a new video here on Let's Walk Around Stockholm. Another day, another walk. And while we are in front of the Gucci store, we're gonna have a walk today at Birger Jarlsgatan, which is a really cool street if you ask me, for a few different reasons. The first reason is because it's one of the longest streets in the whole of the city center, so it is kind of sorry, I have to adjust my camera a little bit. Yeah, that's better. So yeah, it's one of the longest streets in the city center, and also it kind of connects the different neighborhoods. So it's like Östermalm, so we're at the part of Östermalm right now. In front of us is like Stureplan. We passed Stureplan, which is like the main little square going out area here. And then on the right side we also have the park, Humlegården. We're passing that, and then on the other side we have Norrmalm and Vasastan. And Birger Jarlsgatan is kind of connecting all of these neighborhoods. And we got a lot of fancy stores here as well. We just passed Gucci store. This is Louis Vuitton. Alright, it's green, lucky today. So yeah, we're gonna try to walk the full length of this street today. It's really cool. They're hanging up all the Christmas decoration right now. You can already see it's coming up. We're gonna of course do Christmas light walks a little bit later on, but they have to be in the dark, of course. And the other reason that this street is also a little bit famous is because it's named after Birger Jarl, I think that's his name, yes, which is the Duke of Sweden. And also, I think, the founder of Stockholm. Whatever that means, because I'm not gonna lie, I only had a quick look on Wikipedia, so I'm not gonna pretend like I know everything about the history of Sweden or Stockholm. Nice, all the Christmas lights coming up. If you love Christmas and the Christmas atmosphere, Stockholm is one of the best places you can go to, I would say, in the whole world. So here we have Östermalm station. We're going to the subway here. Actually, one of my loyal subscribers, Hans, he pointed out that it was good for me to actually explain a little bit about the subway and the train station. So the T that you see in front of every station stands for tunnelbana. So it basically means something like tunnel lane or track or whatever. So it's basically the underground, what they call in London the tube or whatever. So yeah, the T stands for tunnelbana, which is the metro. And then we have the J, which is in front of all the train stations, which stands for järnväg station. So järn is like iron, so it basically stands for trains. So yeah, to make it simple, T is subway and underground, and J stands for train. I think in Germany it's U-Bahn, the U, I think, not sure. I've walked already on parts of this street before, also in the opposite direction, but I don't think I've ever walked the full length of this street. So yeah, here we have Biblioteksgatan, which is like the main shopping street in this area here. like these little artwork thingies here. So yeah, on this side we have Swampen, aka the mushroom, the meeting spot for all the people that work here and people that want to go out and stuff. I think it's around 10 o'clock in the morning right now, and the temperature is probably about +7 degrees. So this video will be online in about a few hours, 2-3 hours from now. See, so we're crossing Kungsgatan now, King Street. So that's what I mean with yeah, this street kind of connecting all the different areas and main streets. I don't know if you could see it, but he was waving at the camera, that guy. That was cool. I like it when people are in a good mood like that. Just spread the love. Nice. What's this? Like a designer cafe, I think. La Belle Époque. A lot of cool buildings here. So I noticed that here on Östermalm everything is parked better. Like even the scooters are parked properly here. At least so far what I've seen. Oscar and Clotilde. Never heard of. Yeah, there we have Humlegården on that side. The park where I ended up in the middle of a snowstorm last spring. You should check it out, like search for Humlegården on my channel. When I came through the tunnel, actually that tunnel to be precise, I think it's called Brunnbergs tunnel or something. I like this area because it's always very much alive. Cool glass. It's a steakhouse. very cool buildings. It's very expensive to live here. I love those stairs up as well there, like in between the houses. It's funny because while I'm talking I hear myself always saying, oh, I love this looks great, and you know, it sometimes almost feels like I'm working for the Stockholm city or something, like I'm getting paid to say all kind of positive things, but I really don't. I'm just enthusiastic, I guess. And sometimes I get asked, why are you not showing the more negative sides of things, or yeah, I don't know. I guess it's not in my nature to do so, because Stockholm is by no means a perfect city, we all know that. So, but yeah, why should I show the ugly? Yeah, I don't know. Yeah. Yes, we're still on the right street, just checking. See what I mean with the parking? Here they're more on the side, not in the middle of the street. Maybe because it's a little bit more of a posh neighborhood, people take more care of their own surroundings, not sure. Or maybe they get super high fines if they don't park them properly. Maybe that's the case. Right, what do we have here? Let's have a look at this sign here. Karl Stav, statsman, de frisinnades ledare, statsråd, 1905, statsminister. Yeah, so he was a prime minister in two different times. Now people in the comment section, and the Swedish people are gonna go, oh, you don't know who he is, you know nothing about culture or politics. No, I don't. I do know that it looks like we're gonna get our first female statsminister, as they call, like a prime minister in Swedish, so that's gonna be cool. Let's cross the street here to that park over there. Don't think I've ever been there. Humlegården. Alright, seriously, who made this? This is so ugly. Yeah, it's supposed to be art, but okay. Let's have a look what this is. Get a bit of a royal feeling here with all the statues and things and stairs and oh nice, you can see the church sticking up there. Alright, let's walk over the grass here. Get my feet wet because I still didn't buy waterproof shoes. Okay, let's continue on the main Birger Jarlsgatan. Oh, seriously, that's one of the ugliest artworks I've ever seen. It's like sticks just coming from the ground. I think in general Stockholm should work on his artwork because many yeah, look like crap, sorry. Yes, number 62 Birger Jarlsgatan. Let's continue. Really nice building on the other side of the street there. I always go on about how many pizza places and sushi places there are in Stockholm, but I should add another one to the list. The Thai takeaway place. Here's another one. Not as many as pizzerias, I would say, but it's a good competitor for the sushi amount of sushi places. Oh, these ants I like better, that's quite nice. Those look a little bit scary at least.